these are two ways, okay? Don't tell too many people about this, but you know, I'm here to sell stealth accounts. I sell eBay accounts, Amazon accounts, but I'm also here to help you. So if you can't afford to buy one of the accounts from me, and you're in a desperate situation, you want to get on eBay, you want to get on Amazon because you've been suspended, I'll tell you a couple of methods to do. These are two ways that I always advise people. I always give them tips on how to get back on eBay or on Amazon again if they've had a problem before. Right now, number one, this is for UK people. I've got a different method for American people, but this is for UK people. So, for example, when you make the account on eBay or Amazon, they cross-reference, they check the information is correct. So when you sign up and you put your company name, your email in, or all your personal information, if you've been suspended before, they're gonna know it's you. Even if you change the information, they can detect who you are from your email, from your phone number, your actual IP address, the cookies on your computer, the third-party cookies, what browser you're using, your screen size, your IP address. So if you know how to get around all that, if you don't, contact me. But if you know how to get around all that, keep watching this video. So what I did, for example, I got suspended many years ago. And then I found a way, and then from then on I started to help people. So my method is, what you do, you create a UK limited company. You create that company under a different name. So you create it under like your sister's name, like that. And then once you've got the account set up on eBay, you listed the product, give it 48 hours. From then on, your item is safe. They've already, the system has detected if you've actually been suspended before, and if your item's still alive within 48 hours, what you do then, once you've got the company set up, you can log into the online filing, the HMRC, and then you can add your own information to that company. Right now, eBay won't know nothing about that because they've already checked your account. So that's one method. Where you can create a UK limited company, and then with that UK limited company you can use that for trading on eBay. But when you first use that company, make sure it's in your sister's name or your friend's name, but get permission. You have to ask them first, obviously. So once you've got their permission to create the company, to sell on eBay, once you've done that, then you can log into the government's website at HMRC. It's called online filing. You can log in there, and then you're adding your own information to the company. So you've just made yourself a 50% shareholder of that company, and then what you do then, you can start trading again. But don't forget, they will know who you are because your IP address and because your computer, the address, your internet provider. There's loads of methods. But if you wanna take over a real company that's already established, contact me. So that's number one. This other method I've not done before, but I know it works because I've helped other people, and this is called depot. This is when you can change your name by depot. Right now in the UK, there's a law where anyone can change their name. You think of these bloggers, okay? They got two names. They got their personal name, and then they got the blogging name. That is not against the law. You can have as many names as you want. I changed my name only once. I know it sounds funny, but I had an argument with my family, and then I disowned them because they're useless, basically. So I don't want to go into the details of that, but I changed my name. I was suspended on PayPal before in the past, and I just made another account. So I got legitimate PayPal under my own name, no problem, and no one knows nothing about it. Apart from all you lot that are watching. But PayPal doesn't, they don't know nothing.